Welcome back to Rider Zone. If you love extreme vehicles, next level engineering, and machines built to survive anything, you're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into one of the most insane creations on wheels, the 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 Armored Camper. This is not just a camper, not just a truck, it's a rolling fortress designed for ultimate off-road dominance, luxury, and security. At first glance, the 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 looks absolutely monstrous. The extended chassis with 3 axles instantly sets it apart from anything else on the road. The aggressive stance, reinforced armored body panels, and military-inspired design give it a commanding presence. High-clearance bumpers, heavy-duty skid plates, and reinforced fenders make it clear this vehicle is built to conquer deserts, mountains, snow, and war-zone-level terrain without hesitation. Under the hood, Toyota equips this beast with a massively upgraded turbo-diesel V8 engine, specially tuned for extreme torque and long-distance endurance. Power is distributed to all 6 wheels through an advanced 6x6 drivetrain system, giving unmatched traction in mud, sand, rocks, and steep inclines. The reinforced suspension system with heavy-duty shock absorbers ensures stability even when fully loaded, while the locking differentials allow this armored camper to crawl through terrain that would stop normal 4x4 vehicles instantly. One of the most impressive features of the 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 is its full armored protection. The body is constructed with ballistic-grade steel and reinforced composite materials capable of resisting high-caliber gunfire and explosive impacts. The windows are multi-layered bulletproof glass, designed to withstand extreme pressure while maintaining visibility. The underbody armor protects critical components from mines, debris, and rough terrain, making this camper ideal for high-risk expeditions and security-focused travel. Step inside, and the experience completely changes from brutal to luxurious. The interior is designed as a premium mobile home, combining safety with comfort. You'll find a spacious lounge area with high-quality leather seating, sound insulation, and climate control systems that keep the cabin comfortable in any environment. The armored doors seal tightly, reducing outside noise and providing maximum protection without making the interior feel cramped or dark. The living area includes a fully equipped kitchen with induction cooking, a refrigerator, storage cabinets, and smart power management systems. There's a private sleeping area with a comfortable bed, ambient lighting, and reinforced walls for peace of mind during rest. The bathroom features a compact shower, toilet, and water purification system, allowing extended off-grid travel without relying on external resources. Technology plays a huge role in this armored camper. The 2026 Sprinter 6x6 comes with a multi-screen digital cockpit, night vision cameras, 360-degree surveillance, and encrypted communication systems. Solar panels integrated into the roof work alongside a high-capacity battery bank and auxiliary generator, ensuring power availability even in the most remote locations. Advanced GPS navigation, terrain mapping, and emergency systems make this vehicle as smart as it is powerful. On the road, despite its size and weight, the Toyota Sprinter 6x6 delivers surprisingly controlled handling. The reinforced braking system, stability control, and driver assist technologies help maintain confidence at higher speeds, while the adaptive suspension adjusts automatically based on terrain and load. Whether cruising on highways or crawling through extreme off-road environments, this armored camper feels engineered for total control. The 2026 Toyota Sprinter 6x6 Armored Camper is not for everyone. It's built for explorers, high-profile travelers, survivalists, and adventurers who demand absolute security without sacrificing comfort. It represents the ultimate fusion of military-grade protection, off-road performance, and luxury living on wheels. If you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most extreme campers ever built, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Rider Zone, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest monster vehicles and futuristic rides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.